need to remove the text from your design? I'm here to show you the easiest way to do it in Adobe Express. Let's get started. First, open your project and tap on the text box you want to delete. On selected, a toolbar will pop up at the top. Tap the cross icon to remove the text instantly. No extra steps needed. Another method to delete the text from your design is simply tap on it and click backspace. And that's it. Your text box will be deleted. If you just want to clear the text but keep the box, simply highlight the text and delete it without affecting the text box. Do you use text a lot in your designs? Drop a comment with your favorite text style. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.